Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Now let's see about visually lossless encoding for JPEG 2000. Now let's see about the abstract. Initially we have to given the image to the noise removal process. For that it will given to the Gaussian filter. After removing the noise it will go to the further process. The image has varying sensitivity to different color components, spatial frequencies, orientation and underlying background images. So the noise-free image passed to the wavelet quantization. So it is used to decompose the image into different subbands. So the quantized image will be encoded by the use of VLC algorithm. VLC stands for visually lossless coding. So the encoded value will be decoded and then inverse wavelet transform will be applied, and then finally we get the visually lossless JPEG 2000 images. The resulting VTs are adjusted for locally changing backgrounds through a visual masking model and then used to determine the minimum number of coding passes to be included in the final code stream for visually lossless quality under the desired viewing conditions. Visibility thresholds were measured for statistically modeled quantization distortion and have different values depending on the local variance within each subbands. This is the flow of our process. Initially we have to given the input image JPEG 2000 image as input. The input image will pass to the quantization. For quantizing the image we are using the discrete wavelet transform. It will separate the images as subbands. It will convert the image from one domain to another domain so that it will get the different subbands such as low and high frequency, so that it will given the result as approximation, horizontal, vertical, diagonal informations are given by the use of quantization technique. So the extracted coefficient will pass to the encoding process. For encoded the information, here we are using the visually lossless code. VLC technique is a method which maps source symbols to a variable number of bits. It can allow source to be compressed and decompressed with zero error and still be read back symbol by the symbol. With the right coding strategy, an independent and identically distributed source may be compressed and almost arbitrarily close to its entropy. After encoding, we are getting the bit stream. This bit stream will pass to the decoding process. For decoding, the same VLC technique is used here. The encoder and the decoder have the same sorting algorithm. Then the decoder can duplicate the encoder's execution path if it's received the result of the magnitude comparison, and the ordering information can be resolved from the execution path. After extracting the coefficients, it will pass to the dequantization. So in dequantization, inverse Euler transform will be taken, so the coefficient will be reconstructed as an image. So after reconstructing the image, we are getting the final result. For the final result, we are analyzing about the compression ratio of PSNR and MSE value, and bit per pixel values are analyzed. Now let's see the demo for process. Here I am having main.m file. Select this file, right click and run the file. This is our guide design. So we have to given the input image. You may select any image. The selected format image will be readed. For the readed image, so this is the input image. For the input image, we are going to getting the red channel and green channel and blue channel informations are separated. After that, the separated information will go to the quantization technique. This is the red quantized information, that is the green, this is the blue quantized information. So it will be encoded by the use of VLC encoding algorithm. So after encoding this, it will go to the decoding process. This is the red channel quantization technique. This is the blue and green informations are taken, and after that we are going to reconstruct the image by the use of VLC decoding. This is the red channel reconstructed information, this is the green channel reconstructed information, this is the blue channel reconstructed information, and these three information will be concatenated to get the original information. This is the compression ratio of the image dataset. This is the bit per pixels, and PSNR and MSE value graphs are shown. Here I am showing the compression method based on the visually lossless technique. It keeps the image quality in the decompressed domain. Thank you.